meeting with Anita Vangalpudi Madam, the Honorable Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh. She gave us a very patient hearing, and we requested for justice to be expeditiously served, in the sense that this false case, which was unfortunately imposed on us to harass us, to be expeditiously removed. Along with that, we also prayed very earnestly and very humbly for this Vidyasagar, who is the accused one in this FIR 490 by 2024. He should be arrested very promptly. And me and my family, while we are here, since we have fought very courageously and we face a lot of danger from the people that we had to file a case against. So we requested for protection to be given to us, due protection to be given to me and my family while we are here, so that at least our safety is ensured. And we also very humbly requested for some compensation from the state of Andhra Pradesh, because we have gone through immense and very unjust financial toll fighting this false case in Andhra Pradesh, which is a lot away from my home state, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and along with the emotional, mental, physical suffering to the toll on our health, everything that we faced. And Anita ma'am was very kind enough to very patiently hear all my grievances, and she assured us that all the injustice done to my family, all the brutal attacks, the brutal blows, and the assaults that happened on us in the previous regime, this present government would take all the necessary steps to rectify all these wrongdoings that happened to us, and as soon as possible deliver our rightful justice to us, which along with she also assured that my instruments, which were very wrongfully seized from me, they would be returned to me in the due course after the completion of investigation closing this case as false. So we are very, very grateful for the current government in Andhra Pradesh, which has taken all the prompt measures and in the right direction to ensure that all the wrongdoings that happened to me and my family in the previous regime, they be rectified, and we go back from Andhra Pradesh with fond memories. Thank you very, very much.
How much compensation are you expecting from the government?
Compensation does not matter. It's just, we have suffered a lot, so that's just going to be soothing our wounds, And one of my, foremost on the list of the wonderful people that I want to thank is all you media people. Number one, you brought all that had happened, all the wrongdoings that happened to light. Otherwise, truth would never have come to light. I thank God that He acted through you people and all these good people to bring all the injustice to light. All of you have fought with us, bringing to the people the process of rectifying the wrongdoings, and God willing, the eventual serving of justice to my family. So media has to be immensely thanked, all the responsible journalists who are doing a commendable job bringing forward the real facts in this fight for justice. They have to be immensely thanked, and especially my family is very, very grateful to you.
Are you satisfied what happening? Are you
Three IPS officers are suspended from the government.